All right. If you got a 2005 Dodge Ram 1500, and you don't know what's wrong with it, the best thing to do is get you one of these little testers. Get you one of those little testers. You can get them off of Amazon for about 15 bucks, 15, 20 bucks. It will save you a lot of money if you want to do a diagnostic test on your vehicle. And if you're handy or you're a mechanic and you know somebody that may be a mechanic, they could just fix the problem for cheap. But anyway, let's jump right into it. All right, so basically this is, basically this is going on with my Dodge Ram. It's doing this. So you hear that? It cuts off. So basically, sorry about the beeping. Basically, we about to figure out, see what's going on with it. So basically, it has 9 codes. So let's see. Let's go to engine. It tells me system is too low, blank 1, blank 2. Transmission control system blank 1 and blank 2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go ahead and exit out of that. Go to AT. It reads system voltage is low. P10 is telling me gear 4 is incorrect. Ratio. And as you see all these codes. So basically it's giving me all the codes what's wrong with the truck. So p0149 is basically, it's your purge valve. If you see that code pop up, it'll be your EGR purge valve. It's on top of the engine. You can just get that part from your auto parts store and change that out. If you got another code p0562, that is your computer voltage regulator. So basically what that is, it tells your alternator how much voltage it needs to keep your battery charged. So that's located under the hood as well. If you're reading another code p0734, that's your transmission solenoid. It's a sensor located by your transmission. If you got another code p0720, that's your output speed sensor. It's located underneath the truck. If you got another code p0715, that's your input speed sensor. So basically those are sensors. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to swap those out. If you got another code p0700, that's your transmission control system malfunction. Basically that's another sensor. So all these sensors, if your truck is getting that, like it's about to cut off, check those, or it may even be your crankshaft sensor. So these sensors play a part in your vehicle cranking. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. I got more videos coming up, so I'll show you when the part comes in how to fix it and where they're located.